With artificial intelligence and machine learning becoming an increasingly integral part of the infrastructure industry, Civil Site Design Project Assist has been developed to harness this technology and help designers develop the framework of projects in minutes. Here's an overview of how it works. To get started, the user creates the respective alignments and templates needed to construct the strings and model. When Project Assist starts, the AI will review the alignment naming and positioning in the project and suggest what types of string could be applied. The user can override these and by doing so, teach the AI about their preferred naming convention and setup. Once chosen, the AI will determine how to construct the project in the Workflow Manager, and this is entirely customizable. So in here we can override elements being applied to the alignments, and again teaching the AI how the user operates. This could be choosing alternative templates and reference surface, or simply ignoring the string from the project. The software uses Civil Site Design tools and functions to create the strings and models. In this particular example, it takes a little under 20 seconds. On completion, a PDF report is generated outlining every step of building the project, giving you all the key points of the design. With each item, you can view a short video, giving an explanation and guidance of what that particular item is all about. The user is provided with a fully editable model, onto which edits and design changes can be made immediately. Project Assist can be used at any point on a project. You've got a new option or release needing a design? No problem. Set up your alignments and templates and engage Project Assist to help you progress the design.